Okay, today's is called solving. No, it's not. It's called solving multi-step. Writing equations, day one. Thank you very much. And our first one is actually a very difficult one, but you guys together, you came up with it. So it was the sum of three consecutive numbers is 99. Would you agree that I got to add up three things and they got to equal 99? Does that make sense? I got three things. I just don't know what they are. So then you start with anything you want. If you're Kevin and you want to use a variable of a for some reason, you could have an a, and then a plus 1, and then a plus 2. But we chose n, and then the next one is going to be, what's the next one consecutively? One bigger than n. N plus 1. And then what's the one that's one bigger than that? N plus 2. And that is your equation. N plus 1 plus n plus 2 equals 99. Now, I know that was a hard one, but what's n plus n plus n? 3n. What's 1 plus the 2? 3 equals 99. And then from there, it's like yesterday. You just subtract something, divide something. It's really no big deal. You came in on a tough day because there's a lot of English in this one. All right, let's try together. Number 2. Number 2 says, Alyssa is baking a cake. It doesn't really matter in my equation that she's baking a cake, but they're giving us some context so you can see the real world here. The recipe calls for 9 cups of flour and 2 cups of sugar. Well, obviously there's got to be a 9 and a 2. 9 of this and 2 of that. And in the recipe, don't you add things all together? Like when you're putting, like making cookies and stuff, you add it all together, right? So put a plus. But 9 cups of flour is 9. And what's a good variable for flour? F. Plus 2 cups of sugar. What's a good S for sugar? Even though S is the worst variable in the world because it looks like a 5. But for sugar, it's a logical variable. Okay? All right, she already put in 4 cups of flour, plus she's already done 4 cups of flour. See what I did there? 4 of flour. And then, final answer, how many more cups of flour does she need to add? All right, now we got to just think. If we want 9 of flour, and we've already got 4 of flour, you're right. This is all I really needed. That 9 of flour plus what? Oh, I'm wrong. I know it's complicated. That doesn't mean it's stupid. Easy things could be argued as the things that are stupid. This is complicated, but it's not stupid. All right, stay with me. 9 of flour is I don't know what plus 4 of flour. All right. Now, I feel like, and teachers in the room, give me your opinion on this too. I'm going to pause for a second while we look at this worksheet here. Okay, we have determined that for tonight's homework, these were a little difficult at the beginning, and so we have decided that problems 3 and 4 and 8 were all reasonable ones off that pink worksheet called Writing Equations Day 1. So if you were gone today, you can just do 3 and 4 and 8 and come back tomorrow with that as a first start. That's all I got for you for today.